LeapFrog Crypto here. Just a quick reminder, all the content here is purely educational, showing you how I use bots in crypto trading. This isn't financial advice, I'm simply sharing my experiences and strategies. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Happy trading! LeapFrog Crypto here. Wow, what an explosive parabolic run on Ripple. Today, I wanted to look at some of the bots we're running and do another update on bot maintenance too. I've got 50 bots running, and to keep track of them, alerts are essential. Let's dive in and create a bot for Cover USDT. As shown in previous videos, zoom out to see what you're getting into. Kava is on a massive discount with a 97% drop, but it's already up 142% from the bottom. Here's how to set up a bot. Measure market price. Start by measuring the current market price. Mark resistance using the new algorithm. Mark resistance between 18 to 20%. Mark support. Take 49% below the market price for support. Next, we can start the bot with these settings. For those who need a grid bot simulator, TradingView offers free software. Simply type in GridBot, set your high and low prices, and the bot will manage trades for you. For bot maintenance, use TradingView to set alerts. Click the clock icon at the top right, then the plus button, and set alerts for your top and bottom grid levels. For instance, set an alert for 0.7340 at the top and 0.3017 at the bottom. Drag the white lines up and down to adjust. On Pionex, there's no alert function, so I use TradingView for alerts and have my liquidation levels in bright orange. Regularly check and move grids up in 10% increments as needed.